We've just acquired this quite simply gorgeous Audi. It's the A7 3 litre bi-turbo S-Line. Got the beautiful upgraded alloy wheels, all in absolutely stunning condition. It's got privacy glass to the rear, park distance control, twin exhaust. Car drives absolutely fantastic and looks great. Electric tailgate, carpet mats in the boot. Boot area is an absolutely lovely area. Huge space in there. Full leather interior. It's obviously got electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got electric memory seats. It has heated seats as well. Car has done 71,154 miles. It's got satellite navigation, MMI upgrade. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack, radio obviously, but let's have a quick look. That's got DAB as well. Climate control, 3-stage heated seats here. Cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel with a heated steering wheel as well. It's just fully loaded. It's obviously the quattro, so 4-wheel drive. It's the facelift model interior as well with the dials there. I've driven this car, it's absolutely stunning. It's got Bose speakers as well, auto headlights. I've probably missed loads out. It's got a full service history, just recently been MOT'd. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.